Reaching high, the cold sets in deep. I see the world so small it seems. Step by step, through trials and pain, turns out it's just the same. We miss the sights, left friends behind. The high places, the cold unwinds. Looking back, the path so long. On the peak, I stand alone. High places, cold and stern. On loneliness, heartache, I yearn. I walk this far to see skies blue, only to find solitude. Dreams of home still in my heart. Chase them down, never did part. Reach the peak, looked afar. Only the cold fills my heart. High places, cold and stern. Loneliness, heartache, I yearn. I walk this far to see skies blue, only to find solitude. Dreams of hope still in my heart. Chase them down, never did part. Reach the peak, look afar. Only the cold fills my heart. High places, cold and stern. Loneliness, heartache, I yearn. I walk this far to see skies blue, only to find solitude. The windows chill, the path is steep. So many lost their dreams they keep. High up here, the journey's long. Echoes of dreams, now they're gone.